Choose your agent.
Go!
Hit.
One enemy remaining.
You can come against I.
I see the spike.
Triple, baby.
One enemy remaining.
One drop.
Last player standing. Hey,
I missed him again. Oh wait, you can't.
My homie dead.
Enemy kill.
Oh man, no. Oh man, you gotta push something, brother. Oh my god, Daylight, who is he? One more CT and one market. Oh, she dashed out. She's to your left, yeah, over there.
last player standing. One enemy.
The other one's on site. She's on site. You got it? I'll ping the bomb for you. Oh, he's clean! Let's go! That was actually a sick fucking round, dude. Good shit. Oh my.
Last player standing.
Jesus Christ, dude. Where's it, man?
30 seconds left.
3.
$10 bro.
Blocking sight.
10 seconds left. One enemy remaining.
Got it.
Spike planted.
Let's go!
Allah!
Seek the go! Let's go! Let's go!
One enemy remaining.
Let's go!
Сайт Берев.
Yes, my side.
Why you just scream?
What's this? Give me those back. Be faster. 3.
One enemy remaining.
You should have seen your faces.
You're amazing.
Let me camera peek it, let me camera peek it.
What was it?
Here comes Go!
Inside.
Great for me.
Elbow. Elbow.
One enemy remaining.
4. See ya.
105 on nice.
3.
Three more outside.
Wait, no, you're not. You're in spawn. Flash.
Holding long, so delayed.
Flashing.
30 seconds left.
Kenny's dead.
Nice.
I know exactly where you are.
Back short.
One enemy
One
remaining.
more short. On site. HiKo.
You're welcome for...
That was actually a sick shot. Or
Picked all apart, leaving it all up to Dicey. He's going to have to come up huge once again.
I got the spike.
Gets the spike. Can he back up? Oh, wow. Dashes in, and he's able to take down Sinatra. What a no-scope there. 10 seconds remain, and he's able to get onto that site.
Allies.
No dash. He's going to try to get himself here. 1 second to plant. Goes to the back of the site. Gets it with 0.2 seconds. He does have Blade Storm. Does he draw it immediately? He does. And it's going to be on top of the box. It goes down just to his right. He's trying to figure out where they could be, as it's going to be a crossfire from both members of Sentinels here. The tub is his play. He gets them both on one side. Dapper goes down and he finds those. The ace from Dicey.